All right, now Python is actually a pretty easy thing to do because you're just simply going to type in what you want it to do. In fact, you can get right to it. So you can say you want the finch to start. So over here you see you're talking about finch, so you want to go finch dot. I want it to start, and now you can see finch start finch. Okay, so obviously you can't use spaces, and so we got the dot notation and we got the underscore. After it starts, I'm going to hit enter, and now the next thing that I want it to do is I want it to move forward. All right, so I want the finch to move. Now we see the set movement. That makes more sense because I want to actually tell it how far to go and what to do. So set move direction forward. We're good with that. How many centimeters? Right now it says 10. Let's say I want to say 30. At 50%, I'm good with that. Now, let's say I want it to turn to the right. So once again, it's the finch. And when I say turn, there it is again, the set turn. All right, the right left direction. I want it to turn right 90 degrees at 50%. That's good. And then I want it to move forward again, the finch to set my movement forward for 30 centimeters at 50%. Okay, so what I would do then is after this is done, I would download and put it into the finch, and it would start right away. If it's something where I want it to have it start on a button, the way to do that is, so you're talking about an input, right? Because that's where the button is. So I want to put an input on button press. That's the first one that comes, so that's good. I want to define what on button press A is. So when the A button is pressed, what is it supposed to do? Not pass. I don't want it to pass. What I want it to do is I want it to do this stuff right here. So I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste it in there. All right, and so now what this is saying is I'm going to define what button A is doing, and that's starting the finch. It's moving forward, it's turning, and then it's moving forward again. And then this is kind of closing that loop of the input button A. So now in this case, this is all on button A when button A is pressed. So we should be good to go with that too. You hit download and you're good to go. When you're done, make sure to take a screenshot of your code and put it in the Python for J, R, and G.